फ्रेंड, अभिवादन आप सभी का। फ्रेंड्स, AIBPRC ऑल इंडिया बैंक पेंशनर एंड रिटायरीज कन्फेडरेशन ने एक पत्र लिखकर कन्वेनर यूपीओ को पेंशन अपडेशन के बारे में अपनी कुछ सजेशन दिए हैं और इस संबंध में उन्होंने 7 फरवरी को एक सर्कुलर जारी किया है और उस सर्कुलर के हिसाब से डियर कॉमरेड, subject pension updation situation emanating after the order passed by the Honorable Supreme Court on 20th January 22 in regard to a special leave to appeal number लिखा हुआ है Union of India and other respondents. You are aware of the direction of the Honorable Supreme Court on the above. We give 3 months of time to IBA to do the needful and submit appropriate report regarding the decision taken on the proposal. If final decision cannot be reached, the Indian Bank Association must submit interim report before the next date of hearing. Friends, this order was passed when the Learned Council of our IBA submitted that the committee which was supposed to consider the representative oblique claim of the pensioner and similarly placed persons was required to be reconstituted as the chairman of the committee was demitting office. In view of the above development, we have an earnest request to you and to all the constituents of UFBU through you to kindly consider the following suggestions. We request UFBU to persuade the IBA's reconstituted internal committee to finalize its report at the earliest with their recommendations. It is also pertinent to note that even the Honorable Minister had in his reply to the question in the Rajya Sabha stated that if the government received recommendation from IBA in respect of updation of pension, the government would consider the same. And third point, the Assurance Committee of Rajya Sabha has also in its report stated that the bank pensioners' basic pension has not been updated and urged for the updation. Fourth point, IBA may also be requested to consider the issue of updation of pension on the RBI model since our regulations are modeled on the RBI/central government pension rules. While making the above request, we feel it necessary to apprise you about our initiative in the regard. We have written to the chairman IBA about the demands time and again and also to the various authorities concerned about the legality of the issue ongoing extensively from the regulations, especially Pension Regulation 35(1) as amended in 2003 and Regulation 56 as a reference to government pension regulation rules while implementing the pension scheme in the banks. We have also backed it by the cost analysis and reminding that it is statutory responsibility of IBA government to update the pension. We have also noted that with satisfaction that in your recent correspondence with IBA, the last one being on 80th January, you have demanded immediate discussion with IBA on issue which includes inter alia the issue affecting the interest of retirees including pension updation. In view of the above, we feel it is necessary and request you that UFBU should remind IBA once again about the core issue of updation of pension. If any inputs are required, we will furnish the same to UFBU. We hope favorable response from your end. With best wishes and signed by the Suprita Sarkar and KV Acharya. Friends, suggestion AIBPRC द्वारा EOB को ठीक है, अच्छी बात है, पर यह समझ में नहीं आता है कि 20 जनवरी के बाद सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने जब से ये आदेश दिया SLP के ऊपर, उसके बाद से IBA का तरफ से कोई रिस्पांस न EOB को है न AIBPRC को है कि क्या 31 जनवरी के बाद जब श्री मल्लिकार्जुन राव का ऑफिस टेन्योर खत्म हो गया और मिस्टर AK गोयल है ज्वाइंड, उसके बाद से क्या पेंशन कमेटी जो इंटरिम कमेटी थी, जो इंटरनल कमेटी बनी थी, उसका रिकॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हुआ कि नहीं। सबसे बड़ी मुद्दा तो ये है, क्योंकि रिकॉन्स्टिट्यूशन होने के बाद ही कमेटी आगे अपने रिपोर्ट बनाने की कार्रवाई करेगी, और जब तक रिपोर्ट सबमिट नहीं होगा, चाहे सुप्रीम कोर्ट के माध्यम से सबमिट हो या रिकमेंडेशन ऑफ प्रपोजल सबमिट हो, तब तक बात आगे नहीं बनेगी। लेकिन ठीक है, AIBPRC ने यह मुद्दा उठाया है और EOBU को भी 18 जनवरी के बाद से उनका कोई पत्र या कुछ इस तरह का कॉरस्पॉन्डेंस IBA के साथ नहीं हुआ है। उन्हें नियमित रूप से ये नॉक करना होगा, क्योंकि गर्ज हमारी है, न कि IBA गवर्नमेंट की। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, नए अपडेट के साथ फिर मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए थैंक यू, वेरी वेरी थैंक्स।